Lost your Bank of America card or just want to block it temporarily? Here's how to lock your debit card using the mobile app and what you need to know about credit cards. First, open the Bank of America mobile app and log in. Once you're in, tap on your checking account, the one linked to your debit card. Scroll down until you see Debit Card Settings. Tap it. Now tap Lock or Unlock Card. You'll see your current card status. Just tap Lock Card, confirm it, and done. Your card is now locked. That means no one can make purchases or ATM withdrawals until you unlock it again. To unlock it later, come back to the same screen and tap Unlock Card. Just as simple. Now, here's the important part. As of now, you cannot lock or unlock your credit card directly from the app. If your credit card is lost or stolen, you'll need to call Bank of America or request a replacement inside the app. So for debit cards, it's quick and easy. For credit cards, you'll need to contact support. Hope this helped. Like and follow for more real-world banking tutorials.